Mag-BFF. Mag-BFF minsan, mag-kaaway minsan. Pause. Ba.
Enough na, enough.
Nagpusing-pusing pa. Ba. Mama, Mimi. Look here. Model yan ngayon eh. Okay, Klein, pose. Diba?
Bangal.
Another pose, different pose. Mimi. Diba yung aking model na anak? Ba. Good job. So yung plano sana today is dito tayo. Don't run. Yung plano sana namin today, plano ng mga nanay, doon sana kami kina Sam, sa bahay ni Sam. Kami yung naatasan na magbabantay sana ng pinapagawa niya. Pero na-postpone. So ibang destination na yung pupuntahan namin. Ito yung aking madam eh. Oh, ayan siya. Ayun na. Wait. Yes, ride is on the way. Cancel na ka. Ang hirap mag-book ng auto. So, ano kami, cab. Excuse me, okay. Share live location. Ayan na siya. 11 minutes pa nga lang. 11 minutes. Yung dalawang bata. Kanina magkaaway. Ngayon BFF naman. Sasamahan ko lang ito guys. Yung isang madam dito. Kasi bibilhin niya yung isang Techsmart. Isang buong Techsmart na store.
Hello guys. Here we go. Hello, I'm me. Hello.
Dito na kami sa Techsmart guys. Diba? Pumipili din siya sa nanay. Mimi, that's for daddy. That's for men. Yeah, for daddy. Yeah, we'll look if we can find for daddy. Pero wala kaming kaplano-plano talaga mag-shopping. Sinamahan ko lang ito kaibigan ko. No, dress for kids is below. Ha? Dito na kami ngayon sa ladies section. Dami kang pagpipilian dito guys eh. Ang laki.
Large, kaya ko to. Pero parang
large? Ang laki. Palas.
Ang laki man. May hindi ako sa dito.
Oo, kasi kahit anong kurta, no, i-partner mo. Ang dami nilang ano dito. Palaso. Ito, parang ito yung bet mo ata. Huh? Nagmamadali na kami ng ni Mishka kasi mag-i-impake pa kami kasi aalis kami. Pupunta kami doon kay Abhi. This is it, pansit na guys. Pupunta na kami ng Ford. Bukas weekend, so kailangan namin doon. Andun kami, sabi ni Abhi, namimiss nyo na si Mishka. So, aalis kami ngayon, 3:30 ngayon, mag 1:30 na. So, mabilisan na pag-impake and then alis na kami papuntang bus stand. This is it, pansit. We are on the way to the bus stop. Isang luggage yung dala namin, yung kanyang bag and yung aking bag kasi gusto niya may bag din siya. So yan, first time namin magbabiyahe ni Mishka ng bus na wala si Abhi. Oh, thank you. So 1 hour and 15 minutes papunta sa bus stop. Anong oras na ngayon? It's 2:12 ng hapon. Yung bus namin is nasa 3:30. So, hopefully umabot kami. 1 hour. Yung estimated arrival namin sa bus stand is 3:15. So, sana makaabot kami before yung departure ng aming bus. Kasi kami tutulog ngayon. KSRTC. Here. Mimi, come here. Come here. No, Madikeri. Yeah, this one. This one. Hold, mommy. Hold. Ata. Dishi, hold. Come on. Ata yung bus na namin. Come on. Nakaabot kami, guys. Ito yung aming bus. Come on, let's go. Inside. We'll buy some snacks. Bili muna kami ng pagkain. Which one? Okay. We'll buy this. 17 and 18. Okay. No, not there. Not there. Move. 17, 18. 17, 18. Go, Mimi. Up. Umabot kami, guys. Ito yung aming bus. Electric bus ito. Seating lang kasi 5 hours lang naman yung aming biyahe. Okay, you can take it out.
Take out my socks.
No, not socks because it's AC. It's cold. Bumili kami ng snacks kasi hindi pa kami nakakain ni Mishka ng lunch. Okay, you can have that. Gutom na to kasi. Okay. May baon din naman akong rice and mango. Okay, I will give you one. May baon akong rice and mango sa kanya kasi mahilig siya ng mangga eh. Wala na akong time para magluto pa. So, binaunan ko siya ng mangga. Mamaya pa kakainin ko to. Ngayon, ito muna kasi alas 3 na, guys. Yung bus na to, parang ano din siya. Parang aeroplano. Pwedeng ma-recline yung upuan. So, yung sarap naman. You can put some of your things here. We have bottle holder. And parang mayroong charging port. Mayroong charging port dito. You can also lift this armrest. You like this? Kain muna kami. It's moving na. Eksakto talaga. Anong oras na ba?
It's walking.
Didi is walking. Very good.
Didi is doing bicycle.
Eksakto talaga yung time nila, guys. Hindi sila late talaga. 3:34 pa lang and 3:30 dapat yung departure. See you soon, Daddy. See you in 4 hours or 5 hours ata ng biyahe namin. Buti na lang nag-auto kami, guys. If yung cab yung sinakyan namin, siguro hindi kami nakaabot. Mga 10 minutes pagdating namin, bumili ako ng snacks namin. Then, ilang minutes na paghihintay. Then, lumarga na. Buti na lang auto. The best talaga yung auto. Pag mga ganitong nagmamadali ka, auto is the best. Bye, Bangalore.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
I go home next time.
Yeah, we'll go home next time. Sinandan ko sabi ng ami picture ni Mishka. Sabi niya, waiting for you. Daddy is waiting for us, Mimi.
Yeah.
Are you excited to see Daddy? 2 days kami hindi magkasama. 3 days. So tonight, makakasama namin si Daddy.
Next time I show Daddy my picture.
Okay.
It's this one.
Thank you.
It's
Medyo dumadami na yung pasahero. Kanina nung umalis kami doon sa Terminal 2, konti lang kami. So, medyo dumadami na. Marami pang bakante. Pero ngayon lang mayroong mga umakyat. Terminal din ata ito. Umuulan ngayon, guys. Buti kanina pagdating namin doon sa terminal, hindi pa umuulan. Hindi kami nabasa ni Mishka. We're safe. Kain ko din. Nahiyaan ko na lang siya muna kumain ng snacks. Kahapon pa sinabihan na ako na Abby na if in case ma-assign na siya sa branch today, susundin niya talaga kami doon yung Mishka para maghanap kami ng bahay and namimiss niya yung anak. Iniisip ko kanina if matutuloy man kami today sa pag-alis pupunta doon, baka gabi pa yung aming bus. Pero sabi niya, meron daw bus ng 3:30. So, binook niya kami agad-agad. So, yun, from Techsmart. Mabilisan ang pag-uwi lang. And then, nag-impake agad. Tapos, alis na kami ni Mishka. Mga 30 minutes na pag-impake. Kung ano lang yung mabunot ko dun sa damitan, yun na. Wala nang isip-isip kung ano pa yung kailangan. Basta yung mga importante lang. Yung laptop, toothbrush, damit, Mishka, mga jacket, kasi malamig dun. Yun na. Anyways, babalik pa naman kami after a few days. Yummy. Hindi pa talaga kami nakakalabas sa Bangalore, guys. Dito ba kami? Sa loob pa to ng Bangalore. And merong umakyat na. Wow, thumbs up. Meron ng umakyat na nagtitinda ng mangga. Masala mango.
Masala
Si Mishka, kagaya ko din na mahilig sa maasim. Only the yellow one, ha? Do not eat this one, ha? Okay? Sarap. Stop over, guys, dito sa Mysore bus stop. Meron ng mga bumababa. Meron din, I think, aakyat dito.
Where's Daddy?
We have to travel 2 hours more.
Where's Daddy?
Not here yet. Yeah.
Daddy's coming.
Yeah. You want to eat anything?
What?
You want to eat anything? Meron mga tinda.
We have to please go to bed.
Huh? You want dosa?
Mommy, policeman.
Yeah, there's a policeman.
Policeman is.
So you have to behave. Bumaba kami ng aming bus, guys, kasi nag-toilet kami ni Mishka. Mayroon siyang mga tindahan, bilihan ng pagkain. So ito yung bus stand dito sa Mysore ngayon. Yeah. Oh, hi, baby.
Baby beta.
Hi, baby. Say hi. Go. Sir, what did you get? What's that? Binalan ko siya ng gems. 25 rupees. Show me.
Hi, it's my soda.
It's not soda. Oy, oy, oy. Come on na, fast na. We're going.
It's my soda.
Okay. Yung driver ng aming bus, guys, yan yung sumalubong sa amin kanina. Sobrang bait niya. Nagpaalam din ako na bababa kami para hindi niya kami maiwanan. Let's go. Go up. Up. Thank you. Dito pa din kami, guys. It's showing from Mysore bus stand papuntang Madikeri bus stand. 2 hours and 48 minutes pa yung aming babiyahin ni Mishka. Bigyan ko siya ng kanyang pagkabisihan. You only eat 1 by 1, okay?
I take 2.
You take 2? Close it. Oh, there's light.
What?
They turn on the light. Yeah.
I so beautiful. Like, Mommy, so beautiful.
So beautiful, what?
So beautiful.
So beautiful lights. Very nice din talaga, guys. Kasi meron charging point.
Here. I
Naka-charge
take the
na
bus
ako.
out here.
Hold it properly. We are moving now. It will fall, Karon. Oh, see. I told you. I told you. Put inside. Wait, wait. One by one, no? Wait. Our journey continues papuntang Madikeri.
Madikeri?
Yes. Bye, Mysore. Kusyal nagar na kami. May mga bumaba. Sorry. Mishi, say thank you. Bye. Say thank you, Uncle. Thank you. Come. We'll get there. Sumundo sa amin, guys. Parang sa opisina daw nila ito na. Here, Mishi, come on. Go inside. Okay, move.
To my house next time.
Sit down now. Now we are going to Daddy. Yes. Now, we are finally in Madikeri town. Ito yung parang syudad talaga dito sa Coorg. We're going to Daddy na. Who is that? Parang homestay pala ito. I thought it's like hotel. This is homestay pala. So foggy, guys. Alas ano na. 9:30 kami dumating dito. So malapit na siguro mag alas 10. Homestay pala yung kanyang kinuha. Akala ko parang hotel. O diba? Parang magbabakasyon lang ulit kami. Ang daming mga turista din pala ngayon. Daddy, for the food. For the food. Food I haven't paid. Yeah. Welcome to Coorg. So ito yung this is your second night here na, Daddy? Daddy, is this your second night or?
Yesterday another hotel.
This is different one. Kaya iniisip ko ay that
This is homestay.
yeah, that's why I was thinking that last night we were talking you were in hotel. Then ngayon bakit nasa homestay na siya? There's the wash basin. The bedroom. There's bathroom and balcony. Okay. Yes? Okay. Now wear your shoes first. Meron silang mini fridge. And meron din kitchen. Okay. This is nice. Better than our homestay last time. Because they have kitchen. Your jam? Okay, wait. Daddy, hold this na. Nagpa-order na siya ng food eh. Okay, okay. Come on, sit down there. Sit down. Maganda kasi merong living area, diba? Meron pang TV. Okay, wait. Show Daddy what did you buy. Here, show Daddy what did you buy earlier.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
From where did this you buy?
At Mysore bus stand.
So why you are buying this kind of local?
Huh? Or else you'll not.
James was not there for
No.
Dairy Milk.
No. It's okay. We'll eat. Let's eat. Who would have thought that we are coming back again here in Coorg, and this time this is going to be like permanent for 3-4 years or 5 years. Who would have thought, diba, na few months back we were here with Mama and Papa. Now we're here to stay. Kain na muna na kami, guys. Gutom na kami. What's the time now? 10. 9:30 kami dumating. And umalis kami doon kanina, 3:30. So, how many hours? 36 hours. 6.5 yung biyahe from Bangalore papunta dito sa Coorg. Kain na nga muna tayo.
Ask me to go night show on birthday. I miss you, my laptop.
Daddy, come nice bed. Come nice bed.
What do you give, Daddy? Please, no, please. I love you. Go. Have fun in night show. Go.
No, come.
I'll come.
Daddy, see. I got one big bucket home.
And today is our first time na magbiyahe na wala si Abhi by bus. We did it. Me and Mishka.
It is good that daytime you have managed on short notice.
Yeah, very short notice. 1 hour before. After this bus journey from Bangalore to Coorg, I feel like I can travel alone. Dito ko na i-close yung aming vlog kasi lahat kami pagod na pagod sa Abhi from yesterday. Yesterday, you have traveled already? The night before. Pero yesterday, nagbiyahe din siya from Mangalore papunta dito sa Coorg. So, mga pagod kami lahat sa biyahe.
There's my video.
Good night, everybody!
Bye-bye.
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 Bye!